up with it, family? In a place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you with another recipe, baby. And this time we're doing a summertime recipe, a cookout recipe. You know what I'm talking about? We're gonna do us some delicious, simple barbecue baked beans. As you can see by the ingredients right here, we got it all, and it's not that many ingredients. It's not that many, but it's gonna be oh so delicious, baby. So let's jump right into it. Get to these barbecue baked beans. Yeah. All right, so this is a rundown of what we're gonna do. We're gonna season, we're gonna brown our ground meat, we're gonna drain it, we're gonna make our bean root, what I call our bean root. So we're just gonna put us some barbecue sauce. We're gonna mix our seasonings in there with our bell peppers and onions. We're gonna simmer it, and we're just gonna let them flavors get intense. Get all intense, baby. We're gonna add them to the beans. Woo, 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 woo. Gonna have you some delicious barbecue baked beans. Now let's get to the action part. Get us about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. We're gonna let that heat for a minute. Not a minute, but we're gonna let it heat. Go ahead and get your ground meat in there. If you're using any kind of meat, get it in there. Get everything broke up. There we go. Let's get it all broken up. We're gonna add some flavor to it. Forgive the noise, family. Forgive the noise. But it gets noisy when you're cooking. Just know that. Now let's put some flavor to this meat. We're gonna add us some lawry seasoning salt. Put that all in there. Go ahead with some onion powder. Just get that all in there. If I can get it out of here. There we go. That black pepper, baby. Get that in there. And we're gonna throw some Worcestershire sauce in there, baby. There we go. Let's just get this mixed up. As such. And we're just gonna continue to cook it till it's completely brown. So our meat is almost done. We're just gonna continue, like I say, to brown it. Get it completely cooked all the way through. And we're gonna be one less step closer to these delicious barbecue baked beans, baby. Everybody gonna love you. You're gonna be the star of the show because they're gonna be so delicious. And you can just tell them, hey, me and my boy, That Boy Can Cook, put this together. Yeah. Just continuing to brown it. Get it all the way brown through. We're pretty much there. At this point, if you want to taste for likeness, taste it for likeness. See if you need to add you some more seasonings to it. Or if it's a season I didn't put in there that you like, throw it in there. You cooking it, it's your world. Brown meat is browned, as you can see. So now we just finna get it drained. Let's make this bean root. So in another pot, let's get it with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're gonna let that heat like we did before. It shouldn't take long because, as you can see, the fire is already on, baby. We just used it. Now let's get our bell peppers. Ooh, listen to that. Get our bell peppers in there. Get our onions in there. There it goes. So we're just gonna saute these for about a minute or two, just to get them tender. We got them sauteed where we need them. Go ahead and reduce your heat. There we go. Now we're gonna add in our barbecue sauce. It's Kraft Original, whatever kind you like, whatever your favorite kind, you can use that. This is my favorite kind. I like getting the original because I can spice it up how I want to. I can flavor it up how I want to. Let's just give it a shake. Get it on in there. Give it a mix. Ooh, there we go. Cool it on down, baby. There we go. All right, we're gonna throw a little water in that. We're gonna get that excess barbecue sauce out of there, and we're gonna dump it in here. All right, let's get that in there. There we go. Ooh. Clean your bottle out. Let it mix. Just like that. Let's get our barbecue sauce in there. Barbecue sauce. Let's get our brown sugar in there. Forgive me, y'all. And that's anywhere from 2 to 3 tablespoons. Let's get us a tablespoon of yellow mustard in there. Get everything a mix up. Just like that. Then you're gonna taste for likeness. And like before, anything you wanna add, it's too late to take anything out, of course. But anything you wanna add, you add it in there. Get your taste, your flavor that you're looking for out of this. But like I say, this is our bean root. So the purpose of this is you taking it to a cookout. You can just heat this right here. Open your beans, drain the juice off of the beans, pour it in your dish, pour your bean root over it. It'll still be hot. It'll cook as long as you ain't going too far. It'll cook when you get to your destination. They'll be warm, if not hot. You won't have to heat them for longer than 10 minutes. So that's our bean root right there. We're just gonna let it simmer. We already turned down our heat. Just gonna let it simmer for like 15, 20 minutes. Let them flavors intensify in there. Then we're gonna come back. We're gonna add everything together. And by the way, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While this is while our bean root is simmering, let's go ahead and get everything into our dish. However you make it. And like I say, make sure you drain your beans because all of the flavor is in the root, the bean root. And another great thing about the bean root is that you can cool it. Once you simmer it, get all them flavors together, you can cool it a couple of days, few days. All you got to do, drain your beans, throw that bean root in there, pop it in the oven, on the grill, however you're cooking it. So let's go ahead and get some of our ground meat. And I cooked a whole pound of ground meat, but I'm gonna do a half pound because it's only 1 can. So I suggest doing a half a pound for 1 can and a whole pound for 2 cans. So we're just gonna mix it up. Make sure everything is consistent. We got an even meat to bean ratio in here. Spoon a little too rough. Here we go. Just make sure we get it all in there. Just like that. Okay. There it is. There it is. All right, bean root is ready. As you can see, Got all them flavors in there, intensified. Doing what it's supposed to do, baby. Let's get it all in our beans. There we go. Just like that. Ooh-wee. Some barbecue baked beans, y'all. Some barbecue baked beans. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Winner, winner. Barbecue baked beans for the summer dinner, baby. All right. Oh, lovely. We're gonna cover it up. We're gonna pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes. But first, let me wipe my edges. There it is, our barbecue baked beans. One last step is to throw it in the oven. As you can see, I wipe my edges. To me, presentation is everything when it comes to cooking. So we're just gonna either wrap it in foil or pop a lid on it, pop it in our oven, 15, 20 minutes. When we come back, we're gonna have some delicious barbecue baked beans for summertime cookout, baby. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Ooh. We got some delicious barbecue baked beans, baby. Some ground meat in there. Oh yeah. Look at that. There it is right there. There it is right there. That's gonna make you the star of the show. It's gonna make you the star of the show. Just take this to a cookout. Cook it at home yourself. And you're gonna be the star of the show. Barbecue baked beans, baby. Yeah. All right, family. That is it. That is all. Got these delicious barbecue baked beans, y'all. Yeah. Check us out. Oh, check us out. Barbecue baked beans, baby. Barbecue baked beans. Ooh, with meat in it. Let's taste it. See what we got. Still hot. Look at that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. That's it right there. Balanced perfectly. Beans are cooked perfectly. The flavor is there perfectly. A1, baby. A1. Barbecue baked beans for your cookout summertime dish. All right, family. If you enjoyed this video, if this is your first time coming to this video and you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Hit me with the comments. I got a question for you though. I like my barbecue baked beans mixed in with my macaroni and cheese. If anybody out there like they barbecue baked beans mixed in with their macaroni and cheese, hit me in the comments, let me know. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.